Hey everybody, I don't know if you can hear me. I'm along this busy road in Canton, Ohio to show you the home of William Hoover, the founder of Hoover Vacuums. Now of course the museum's closed today, I believe. But I'm not going to show you that. What I'm here to show you is the final resting place of William Hoover and his wife and his son. And of course the inventor of the upright vacuum that William Hoover bought the patent from. Right down the road from the house is Forest Lawn Cemetery. This is the final resting spot of Herbert Hoover. Not the President Herbert Hoover, but the son of William Hoover, the founder of Hoover Vacuums. So now I'm over at West Lawn Cemetery in Canton, Ohio to visit the grave of James Murray Spangler. So the story goes that Spangler had asthma, and the shop he worked at, the broom would kick up dust, so he ended up taking a ceiling fan motor, some other parts, and making the first upright electronic vacuum. Spangler sold some of these upright vacuums, but didn't quite have enough funding to continue on, and eventually lended one to the wife of William Hoover, who was a leather goods manufacturer in Canton, Ohio. He ended up falling in love with it and bought the patent. And of course the rest is history. There you have it, the infamous Hoover Vacuums. All started by this man. And of course, most vacuums today are upright. Now, of course, they are bagless, but all from the mind of this man who had an idea one day that just turned out to be something so amazing. It's amazing that, he created this. Now in the cemetery, right behind the McKinley Memorial, and right over there is the grave of James Spangler. Well, right here is the final resting place of William Hoover. This is the final resting place of the Hoover family. And right over here are the graves of William Hoover and his wife Susan. Now it's said that Spangler lent his vacuum to Susan, and after she showed it to her husband, he fell in love with it and bought the patent. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.